Hi everyone, my name is Josh and I wanted to show you the adaptive learning app uh, called EdApp. It is a mobile learning tool that once you set it up for your users, they can all sign in and see the courses that you have created for them. So once you're signed in, you as a administrator or teacher setting up your courses, you would have your courses here. EdApp actually has a large library of courses that are already set up. So if you wanted to come in here, you could see their full list and see anything that might apply to you, and you could use it and import them to your class. Um, so if you want to see how it looks like when users on the mobile app, you can see how it is on the mobile or a tablet or the desktop. And it'll show you that there's three lessons. I created a fourth one. I'll show you that in a bit. Um, but there's three lessons, and this is what they would see. So you could get started and start going through the course and see the start lesson. Okay. You could see the stuff that they say. So you'd get true or false questions, and you drag it to true. He'll tell them that it's correct, and then you get into more questions, and you drag it to where you think it will go, and you get points for it. And so um, that's how this would work. And so you go to other lessons, and you'd get more questions, and you pick which one it was, and you get it correct. So say now that you got these set up lessons already, but you want to create a new one. So you can edit the course and start creating your own stuff. So let's see. I click on this lesson that I want to do and edit the content of it. And so here I've got my title slide, uh, and it will show up immediately on the left-hand side on how it would look like in the app. And then you can add a new slide, pick all the different options, games and stuff, where you can have multiple choice questions and true or false question. And you add the slide for that, and it's already themed and everything based on the course that you picked. And so you can put in the questions and the answers that you're looking for and say that, hey, true is correct for this question, and then save it. So say you've had all your students that have gone through this, and you want to look at their scores or want to know how they're doing. There's the analytics section of this app, when you can see all the statistics by user, app usage, and activity feed, and it'll give you charts for each one of these. I don't have any users for any of these apps because this is just an example, but so all the charts will be blank once this loads. All right, I'll move on. It loaded earlier, but as you can see, that there's an extensive amount of charts and stuff for what you're looking for, and so I hope that you found this app interesting. Thank you.